Really looking forward to seeing you at Chess World Congress in Bologna, Italy in June. I'm Dr. Mangala Narasimhan. I work at Northwell Health, and I will be teaching a lot of different things at Chess World Congress. I'm going to be teaching ultrasound, point of care ultrasound of the lungs and of the heart, teaching you how to deal with shock state and respiratory failure, hands-on demo, hands-on training, and pleural disease and looking for pleural effusions. There'll be lots of sim sessions going on. We're going to be talking about ARDS and ECMO and who to put on ECMO, which has been a very hot topic in critical care for the last 2 years. So looking forward to sharing information, learning, and seeing you all in Bologna. Join us if you can. It's going to be a very interesting and exciting event. We're going to have lots of collaboration with Italian faculty who will be teaching with us, and I'm sure it will be a very unique and interesting event. So looking forward to seeing you. See you in Bologna. Take care.